Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Twitter username. If you think that this video is gonna be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get straight into it without skipping any part. Now, to change your username on Twitter, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top left of the screen, and then you need to tap on Settings and Support on the bottom. You wouldn't have an option of changing your username on the profile section, so you'll need to tap on Settings and Support and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now after that, you will again see all the settings that you can manage for your account of Twitter. You'll need to tap the first one, your account, and tap on account information. After that is done, it will show you your username, phone number, email address, and your country. Now all you need to do is tap on username and make any changes to your username, and after that is done, you can tap on done on the bottom. I'm not gonna change my username, so I'm not gonna tap on done, but if you want, you can make the changes and tap on done on the bottom right. And as easy as that, you have now successfully changed your username on Twitter. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.